Time to make lunch for 8 daycare kids. I'm going to get them going on a craft first.
Hey guys, listen up!
We are going to make a little person. There's like a little cutout here. Can you, here, I'll cut out this one for my little ones. But we're going to make a person. And then you guys get to decorate a bathtub for your person.
Can we color the man?
Yeah, you can color the person. Maybe you can make it to look like you.
Ooh. There's the bathtub, guys.
Anyway, there'll be a stick on the bottom of this person and they can like slide into the bathtub. And I'm going to make you guys some lunch while you color, okay? I like the twistable crayons. I'm going to hand those out to everybody.
And you get the chair.
I pulled this loaf of bread out of my freezer this morning and I accidentally ripped a hole in it. So I'm probably going to stick it inside of another bread bag. But we're going to have grilled ham and cheese for lunch today. I think I'm going to make 6 sandwiches. I know all of these kids want to eat a whole one.
You ripped your bathtub back. It was only a little bit.
We can tape it.
Well, it's like a whole thing.
It'll be fine. A lot of people have told me to use mayo, but we really just like butter. Where's the Yodo?
Yes!
Don't tell me the Yodo's missing.
Oh, Kova said when she used it, when she woke up it was gone.
I'll have to go check her room.
I can go check it too.
You don't have to. You can color, honey. It is.
Mom, I'm going to find it so I can grab mine.
You want to turn something on? Alright, my griddle's already hot. Craft singles. And I'm going to do some ham. You're all done? Maybe you could color just a little bit more, okay? And Dusk will get out something else to do here in a minute. Okay, maybe just listen to the music for just a minute, okay? Some kids are just not as into crafts. But I thought that'd entertain it for a few minutes. And I'm going to add a little bit of shredded cheese. Cheese on the salads. I'll come around with ranch.
I don't want ranch.
That's fine. You don't have to. That is totally fine. I know some of you do and some of you don't. I brought 2 of these to my husband. You gotta go potty? Okay. I am gonna get a couple more sandwiches going right away because I think that some kids. Okay. And everybody's the same, okay? They're gonna have milk too, but here is lunch today. And here's how they did. One kiddo had seconds. Pretty good today.